Hi everybody, good day to you all. Today we are going to see about percentage. First of all, we see what is percentage. The word percentage means telling something out of 100. For example, if you get out of 10, if you get 8 correct, your percentage marks is out of 100, 80. Therefore, 8 out of 10 is called 80%. So, if you want to say something in percentage, we should find out of 100. For example, out of 5 questions, you got 4 correct. So, your percentage marks is out of 5, 4 into 100. You know, you can divide 100 by 5, 20. So, 80%. Out of 4 questions, you get 3 correct. Then your percentage marks is into 100. 4 times 25 is 100. 3 times 25 is 75%. So, now you understand, to convert a fraction into percentage, we should multiply by 100. So, any fraction you can change into percentage by multiplying 100. Now, for example, out of 20 questions, you got 19 correct. So, your marks is out of 20, 19. So, the percentage of that is 19 out of 20 into 100. 20, 5 times 100. 19 into 5 is 5 9 is 45, 5 1 is 5 1, 4, 95%. So, this is how we are changing any fraction into percentage. So, I am telling you again, to convert a fraction into percentage, multiply by 100. Now, let us see a decimal. You know, a decimal number is also a fraction. Now, for example, 3 out of 10 is 0.3. So, this also you can tell in percentage. 0.3 into 100 is 30. So, 30%. So, 0.3 also you can convert by multiplying 100. You can turn the 0.3 into percentage. 0.3 into 100 is 30%. 0.25 into 100, that is 25%. 0.03 into 100, 3%. So, whether it's a ordinary fraction or decimal number, you can convert them into percentage by multiplying 100. Now, let us see if a percentage is given, how to convert them to fraction. This is a vice versa process. Now, 30% means we know out of 100, 30. So, if you simplify this, 3 over 10. So, 30% is 3 over 10. 25%, 25 out of 100. So, that is 25 1, 25 4, 1 upon 4. 75 percentage. 75 out of 100, 25 3 75, 25 400, 3 over 4. So now you know how to convert a percentage into fraction. Okay, now let's see how we are finding a particular amount of a certain percentage. Now, for example, a person gets, say, 50,000 rupees as salary. His monthly salary is 50,000 rupees. In this 50,000 rupees, 20% of the amount is spent for food. For food, he is spending 20% of this amount. Therefore, we can find how much he is spending. Out of 100, 20. This is the meaning of 20%. If out of 120 is spent, out of 50,000, how much does he spend? Cut 2 zeros, cancel. Now, 20 into 500. 20 into 500. The 1 doesn't need to be taken because 1 divides or 1 multiplies anything. There's no any changes. Therefore, just leave the 1. Multiply 20 by 500. Easy multiplication ways, you know. First count the zeros. If zeros comes in multiplication, count the zeros and write them. 3 zeros are there. Then multiply these 2 and 5. 2 times 5, 10. So he is spending 10,000 out of 50,000. 10,000 rupees is spent on food. Say 25% of the salary is spent for education. He is spending for his children's education 25% of his 50,000. So the amount spent on education is out of 125 into 50,000. So again cut 2 zeros. 25 into 500. Put the 2 zeros. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 2, 10 and 2, 12. 12,500 rupees is spent on education. So this is how we are finding the amount or the quantity of a certain percentage of the whole thing. So again I tell you, if you want to find out a particular amount of a percentage of a big amount, this is how you are finding. Right, now let's see how to use this percentage in problem solving sums. Now we know the percentage is a very good idea to express something to a person. For example, when I say profit percentage, loss percentage, tax percentage, all these are in percentage because that out of 100 is something, a clear idea is given by telling percentage. Now look at that in our country, Sinhalese, Tamils, Muslims, Burghers, like that, so many ethnic groups are there. So they are also told in percentage. So if our country, the Sri Lankan population, you know, 22 million, and if you say 72% of the Sri Lankan population is, say, Sinhalese, out of 100, 72. So in Sri Lanka, 22 million people are there, approximately. Therefore, the number of Sinhalese people in our country is, count the zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros Then multiply 72 by 22 and connect here. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Again 14, 4, 8, 5, 1. 1, 5, 8, 4. That means 15,840,000. Approximately 15 million means 16 million people are Sinhalese people. Like that we can find what is the percentage of Tamil population. For example, if it is out of 100, 15% of Tamils are there. The same way we can find out. So the percentage is a very reasonable as well as it gives a clear idea about anything. Right, now let's see. Profit percentage. Profit percentage. We know what is profit. When you buy something for say 5,000 rupees, this is a bought price, we call BP, bought price 5,000, and selling price is 6,000. So when buy something for 5,000 and you sell the same thing for 6,000 rupees, we know the profit is 1,000 rupees profit. So the profit percentage is gained profit over cost into 100. Remember this formula. Profit percentage, if you want, put the profit as numerator and the cost, because your 5,000 rupees now became 6,000 rupees. So you have gained 1,000 rupees extra from this 5,000. So this is how we find the profit percentage, equal profit upon cost into 100. So you can cut 3030, 5 can cut 100, 20. So the profit percentage is 20%. This is how we are finding the loss percentage as well. Sometimes in the business we have to face loss as well. So if you buy something for 5,000 rupees and due to some damage or some other problems, you will have to sell it for less price. So selling price SP is say 4,000 rupees. So this business is a loss business because you are losing your 1,000 rupees. So the loss amount is 1,000 rupees. So the loss percentage is loss upon cost. Remember this formula, into 100. So we are gaining the same number here as loss percentage. So this is how we are finding the profit percentage, loss percentage, and other percentage. Whatever percentage is there, we have to do the same thing. Even sometimes we will have to put discount percentages. For example, you are giving in order to promote your business, we have to give discount. So suppose you mark something in your business, you mark something 5,000 rupees and announcing 20% discount. So the amount you are going to deduct is out of 100, 20 rupees you are deducting. So for the 5,000 mark price, you are deducting 1,000 rupees. So 5,000 rupees is the mark price, but as you are reducing 20% discount as you are giving, you will have to give discount 1,000 rupees. So 5,000 rupees mark price will be sold for 4,000 rupees. This is called discount percentage. So today we studied how to find profit percentage, discount percentage, loss percentage, and also how to change fraction into percentage and percentage into fraction and decimals. So I think today's lesson would be giving you a good idea about percentage. So in future we'll meet with more problems with percentage. Thank you very much for watching this video.